Hi everyone! I hope you all enjoyed the last video of Ganesha idol making. Here I am back with the next video of detailing painting of Ganesha idol. Before giving structure to clay, out of curiosity, I searched some stories and importance of specific Ganesha structure. But Ganesha Tusk story was certain one. Well, I know you all are aware of this story, but still, being vocal creates some more positive energy to level up our mind and soul. It is said that Mahabharata is Vedvyas' creation, but the reality is that Vedvyas narrated the whole story to Ganesha, and Ganesha had written the epic story. And the condition was that Vyas had to narrate it without taking break, and Ganesh would write it continuously in a single go. Ganesha progressed in writing story. Meanwhile, the feather that he was using to write broke, and he had no other quills with him at that moment. Vedvyas was bound to continue narrating the story because the condition was already set in stone for him. Without wasting time, Ganesha broke off one of his tusks and used it as a pen. Then he continued writing the epic without interruption. This allowed the epic Mahabharata to become wholly one. That way, Ganesha and Vedvyas successfully completed writing together. This story deeply infused into my heart because I learned that a personal sacrifice might also be necessary to complete something epic. Stories like this motivate us to lead our lives flawlessly. Instead of tangling ourselves with darkness of worries and ignorance, let's face the light of morality and knowledge given by our God and Goddess.
सांस अर्पित है तुझको माता, सांस सांस अर्पित है तुझको माता।
रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला, रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला। चला पहाटे पहाटे देव केव्हाचा जागला, त्रिपुरासुरैसा खोपे शिवशंकराला टोपे, त्रिपुरासुरैसा खोपे शिवशंकराला टोपे, त्रिपुरासुरैसा खोपे शिवशंकराला टोपे। पुत्र गणपती गणपती रणी जयाला धावला, रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला, रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला। चला पहाटे पहाटे देव केव्हाचा जागला, त्रिपुराचा नाश केला गणयेतेची राहिला, त्रिपुराचा नाश केला गणयेतेची राहिला। 10 शुंडांचा शुंडांचा दिसा भुजांचा शोभला, रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला, रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती।
If you like this video, please hit the like button, do comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.